Hey everyone, and welcome back. So you have free apps and games on like the Android Play Store, App Store, and you're thinking about adding ads to generate revenue. Well, great idea. But with so many ad networks out there, like AdMob, Unity Ads, Apple, Iron Source, and many more, it can be a bit confusing which one you should choose. Which one will give you the highest revenue? Well, it all comes down to something called the Ecpm rate. That stands for effective cost per mile, which is just a fancy way of saying how much money you will make per 1,000 impressions. Now, Ecpm rates vary from country to country. For example, if your app or game is popular in the US, you'll probably earn more because Ecpm rates are higher there. Generally, the US, Western Europe, and Eastern Europe have higher rates, while the Middle East, Asia, and Latin America have lower rates. Apart from country differences, each ad network has its own Ecpm rates, which can also vary. And sometimes one network will offer a higher Ecpm than another, and this can change over time. Okay, so how can we actually maximize our revenue? That's where ad mediation comes in. Ad mediation lets us use multiple ad networks and show ads from the one with the highest Ecpm at the moment. Ad mediation acts like a manager, deciding which ad network to show their ad. Now, ad mediation comes in two types, the waterfall model and the bidding model. Let's take a quick look. The waterfall model organizes ad networks based on their historical Ecpm performance. And think of it like this. It's like a waterfall. It starts with the network with the highest Ecpm and flows down to the lowest. For example, if network C usually gives high revenue ads, the system will try network C first. If there's no ad available, then it moves to network B, and so on. In the bidding approach, all the ad networks participate by submitting their bids. Now, for example, network A, network B, and network C submit their Ecpm values. The network with the highest Ecpm value wins and gets selected to display their ad. To use ad mediation in your projects, you can choose AdMob or Iron Source because these are the most popular ad networks available. And if you are a Unity developer, I have included detailed documentation in the description to help you enable ad mediation in your projects. I could have made a tutorial, but I find the documentation format more intuitive. And so let me know in the comments section what you think. Should I make a tutorial or not? And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.